In this tip of the week, we'll look at how analytics evaluate individual components of a course and evaluate student performance. Please note that currently, the analytics tool does not measure activity on mobile devices. To view course analytics, enter your course, and then click the View Course Analytics button on the right of your home page. By default, analytics are shown in a graph format. There are 3 types of graphs shown here. The Activity by Date graph shows all course activity for all users in the course. The x-axis represents the course dates, while the y-axis represents the number of page views. Dark blue bars represent participation in the course. If a date only includes page views, the bar displays as light blue. The graph changes in the bar display according to the length of time. Activity that is less than 6 months old displays bars as daily activity. At 6 months, bars are displayed as weekly activity, and at approximately a year, bars are displayed as monthly activity. To view the details of the bar graph, hover over the specific bar you want to view. The submissions graph shows the status of each assignment in the course. The x-axis represents the assignments, while the y-axis represents the percentage of submissions for all students in the course. The green rounded shape indicates how many students submitted the assignment on time. The yellow straight-edge shape indicates how many students submitted the assignment late or past due. The red rounded shape indicates how many students have not submitted the assignment. Once again, you can hover over a specific bar to view the details of the bar graph. The grades graph shows the median, high, and low scores for an assignment. The x-axis represents each assignment, while the y-axis represents the number of points for an assignment. The vertical line extends from the lowest score to the highest score. The box extends from the 25th to the 75th percentile. The horizontal black line shows the median score for the assignment. To view details, hover over the assignment you want to view. To view analytics without hovering over graph columns, you can view all data in a table format. To switch to the table format, click on the Analytics icon. This icon will toggle from the left side to the right, indicating the current analytics view. You can toggle back and forth between graph and table views at any time. You can also view student analytics. These are always shown in a table format, and they display an overview of student participation in the course. Here you view the student name, page views, participations, and submissions. Submissions shows how many published and graded assignments each student is assigned in the course. Submissions are also broken down according to how many submissions were on time, late, and missing. You can also view the student's current score percentage, which is their total score in the course. To view the analytics for a specific student, click the name of that student. Here, you can view the student's name and their current percentage in the course. To send a message directly to the student, click the envelope icon. The activity by date, submissions, and grades graphs will be the same as in the course view, only it will display data for the one student you're viewing instead of for everyone. Under the Student Analytics view, you also have a communication graph. This graph shows the conversations that have taken place between the student and instructor in the Canvas inbox. Jose has not had any communications with the instructor. Let's find a student who has. To view analytics for a different student, go to the top right-hand corner and click the arrow to move forward. We see on the graph that Clarabelle Cow has had inbox communication with the instructor. The orange message icons show when a student sent a message to an instructor, and the blue message icons show when an instructor sent a message to that student. Once again, you can hover over to view more details. You can view the date of the communication and how many messages were sent. You also have the ability to select a student from the drop-down menu to jump directly to their analytics instead of scrolling back and forth through students. If you want to view student analytics without going to the course analytics, you can also access this information through the People tab. From the People tab, click on an individual student in the list. A context card will pop up on the right-hand side with information about that student. Click the Analytics button for quick access to that student's information. Thank you for watching this tip of the week. For more information about analytics, please refer to the Canvas guides or contact Instructional Design and Delivery.